Hi, I'm Sherry from Whole Circle Studio, and welcome to the Greenhouse Garden Block of the Month and Sew Along. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, I'm going to give you some tips as you begin to make your 9th greenhouse garden block. This month's block comes together fairly quickly. The only seams to match are in the last step when we're joining the top of the block to the bottom of the block, right where the edges of the pot match up. Align the dots on the pattern and follow my positioning pinning technique. The link is below if you need to see that again, and you'll do great. I can't wait to see all of your blocks come together. Thanks again for being here and for sewing along with us. I'll be back next month with even more tips. In the meantime, be sure to share your progress on Instagram using the Greenhouse Garden hashtags found on the pattern and tag me so I can check out what you're working on. Or I'd love for you to email me photos of your block. My email address can be found in the pattern. See you next month and happy sewing.